Hello everyone, this is a presentation on the coronavirus analysis using SQL by Obidigbo Chinenyenwa. For the content of this presentation, first we have the project overview, we have the description of data sets, we have data exploration, data analysis, and summary of insights. For the project overview, the coronavirus pandemic has had a significant impact on public health and has created an urgent need for data-driven insights to understand the spread of the virus. The analysis of the available coronavirus data aims to derive meaningful insights from the spread and demographic impacts of the virus that will help in critical decision-making and response strategies. And now we have the description of the data sets which we were given. The first one, we have the province, which is the geographic subdivision within a country or region. We have the country or region, which is a geographic entity where the data was recorded. And we have the latitude, which is the north-south position on the Earth's surface. We have the longitude, which is the east-west position on the Earth's surface. And we have the date of the recorded data for the coronavirus. And we have the number of diagnosed coronavirus cases as confirmed. And we have the number of coronavirus related deaths as deaths, that's the death column. We have the number of recovered coronavirus cases as the recovered column in the data set. So first, for data exploration, in order to avoid errors during the analysis, there was a check, which was the first question we give. There was a check for missing values or null values. And in this analysis, I used the SQL Server Management Studio in my queries and analysis. So after the check was done, there was no null value present in the data set. As you can see from the query I ran, there is no null value present. And we're asked to check the total number of rows in the data set. And we did that. I did that and got 78,386 rows. Checking the start and end date minus the null values, I have the date, the starting date is 1st February 2020 to 12 June 2021. And the number of months present in this data set is 12 months from the query I ran. And I also had to, because I noticed that during the input of some dates, they were not, that's during the input of the data, for the date column, some of the dates were not imputed correctly. So I had to do a convert to convert them from string to the date format so that I can carry out the query successfully. And this is the monthly average for the confirmed cases, the deaths, and the recovered. That's they represented from the year, that's for each month and each year. That's the average confirmed, the average death, and the average recovered. And the most frequent value for confirmed death and recovered cases for each month is shown as carried out here. Then I have the minimum values for confirmed deaths, for the confirmed cases, the deaths and recovered per year. Though some countries had 0 cases at all, so excluding those countries which do not have any cases, I have that the minimum confirmed is 1 for 2020 and 2021, then minimum deaths 1, minimum recovered 1 for each of these years. And the maximum value for the confirmed cases, the death and recovered per year, is as shown below. For the year 2020, I have 823,225 for the maximum confirmed cases, and I have 414,188 for the maximum confirmed cases in 2021. And the total number of cases of confirmed, the deaths and recovered for each month. So the month is represented numerically. That's 2 standing for February, 3 for March, 4 April, and the rest of them. So they are shown below. They are shown in this presentation. The total confirmed, total deaths, and total recovered. Then, looking at how the coronavirus spread out with respect to confirmed cases. That's looking at the total cases, their average, their variance, and standard deviation. This is the query for that. And how the coronavirus spread out with respect to death case per month. So this was done for each month in each year. And these are the statistics on how they spread out. That's the total death, the average, variance, and standard deviation. Then question 13, how the coronavirus spread with respect to the recovered cases. That's considering the statistics of the total recovered case, their average, variance, and standard deviation. Here it is. And the country having the highest number of confirmed cases. The highest number of confirmed cases, we have the USA. They have the highest number of confirmed cases, which is 66,923,964. And the country having the lowest number of death cases. Here they are. We have the Marshall Islands, Samoa, Kiribati, and Dominica. So they had no cases at all. They had no cases of death. That's 0 deaths in these countries. And the top 5 countries having the highest number of recovered cases. We have India, Brazil in second place, USA in the third place, Turkey and Russia. These countries have had the highest number of recovered cases. So, summary of the insights from this analysis. It seemed that there was a steady increase of confirmed cases in 2020 until January 2021, where there was a small decrease, and there was an increase in April 2021. Then there was a major decrease in June 2021. The total deaths and total recovered cases also followed the same pattern. Therefore, I can say that the major drop in cases of coronavirus in June 2021 showed a great improvement in response to tackling the cases of coronavirus and the affected countries. Thank you.